The practice of mindfulness can be broken down into subcomponents: observation, description, awareness, non-judgment, and non-reactivity. Let's explore the 5 facets in greater detail. Welcome to the human experience, the one and only. What makes us human? Where I drop knowledge on human performance optimization.
It's time to discover what makes us human.
I'm your host, Dr. Dyke.
It's time to discover
Boom, 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 boom,
what makes us human.
Mindfulness is sometimes too abstract for people to fully comprehend. It's certainly not a t-shirt you can put on and reap the benefits. Mindfulness is operationally defined as a practice utilized to cultivate present moment awareness. The 5 facets of mindfulness are interdependent, meaning they work together as one. Needless to say, they make the practice more practical. Observation involves recognizing internal and external stimuli. Description involves sharing the human experience through language. Awareness is utilized to identify and attend to the present moment. Non-judgment is a non-evaluative perspective. Non-reactivity promotes self-reflection without distracted rumination or mind wandering. In short, trait mindful individuals often exhibit the 5 facets of mindfulness. So how do we apply them to the human experience? Stay tuned. Please share my content with your network and subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization. As a human, you're a performer. Thank you for joining the mission.